Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Travis, and this is Travis Travels. Today I'm going to show you how to take the train from the suburbs to downtown Los Angeles. Metrolink is a commuter rail system that extends throughout Southern California. So you can be in LA County or Ventura County, San Bernardino County, Orange County, or even San Diego County. Metrolink will be able to take you wherever you are to downtown LA. Today we're going to take the Ventura County line of Metrolink from Chatsworth, where we are right now, into downtown LA. There are a few ticket types you can get. You can get the one-way ticket, which from Chatsworth to LA. The price is dependent on distance. From here to LA, it costs $9.50 one way. So round trip will cost you $19. However, if you travel on weekend, you can get the weekend pass, which is only $10. You can take an unlimited number of rides until 3 a.m. the following day. For $10, you get unlimited, not only unlimited rides on the Metrolink and also code share Amtrak trains, but also you get unlimited transfers on local bus and subway. I mean, what an amazing deal. Remember that? The buy tickets. One way, 7-day pass, weekend pass, round trip. Let's take a look at one-way pass. Select station, Union Station, continue. So one-way pass is $9.50. So both ways, that's $19. Let's see, what other choices do we have? We have weekend pass. Let's see what that's at. It's $10. Valid for the entire day. I think it's expires 3 a.m. the day after. So we're gonna buy two, one for me and one for the camera operator. And I'm gonna pay with card. All right. Valid until 3 a.m. the next day. Good for the whole of Saturday, which is today. And we could have
available on Labor Day. Visit metrolinktrains.com or call X800-37-5465.
There's no need to stamp the ticket before you board because the time and date, they're all printed on the ticket. So just have it on hand when or if the conductor comes to inspect tickets, and you'll be all set. It's actually surprisingly full, so we had to walk a few cars before we could find empty seats. It's first come, first serve. I don't believe there are reserved seats in coach, however, there may be in business. So, in any event, the seats are pretty comfortable and it's pretty clean inside the cabin. You have overhead luggage space, and you also have luggage racks over at the end of each car. So they have these 120 volt power outlets. Yeah, right here. Let's see. Large size tables, suitable for laptops or a meal tray. Oh, looks like they have a dining car as well. Here's a scan here for menu. This is an Amtrak operated train, which Metrolink passengers can also use. Other trains are Metrolink only, and they might be different.
Airport.
We have arrived at our destination. Behind me is the Union Station of Los Angeles, the central train depot in the City of Angels. You see that journey was quite easy, fast, and stress-free. And if you're wondering, the guy behind me is King Carlos III of Spain. Apparently, he ordered the establishment of Los Angeles as a colony. Well, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up? And if you want more videos like this, why not subscribe? Thank you again. See you next time.